Right, this is the pain in the ass Kuga. I've put some fuel in it. It cut out at the bloody fuel station and on the way home after putting some fuel in. Like you'd start to accelerate off and boom, it'd just die. So I'm in the diagnostics menus. What this will tell, I don't know. I'm not too sure what these readings should be on the fuel flow, but we'll just let it cycle through. I've emailed the dealers and I'm taking it, well, I'm not taking it back, I'm going to ring the service department tomorrow, because I think they need to get a specialist in on to diagnose it, so I'm not convinced the Kia dealership have the right diagnostic systems. I do suspect that it is a fuel related, or not fuel per se as in the actual fuel, but fuel system related issue, with the way that it's cutting. So it could be bad injectors, the fuel filter's been done with new O-rings, bled the system. Could be the fuel pump, could be the injectors, not sure. Ultimately, whilst it is my problem because I've got a broken car, it's the dealership's problem. They need to fix it, or they give me the money back and they can have the thing back. But anyone know what these things mean on the fuel flow readings? Because not got a Scooby-Doo. Just cycle through this lot, see if it says anything. Yeah, whatever. No idea what these should be. Battery voltage seems fine. Even if you load the system, it's going to be noisy now. No major. A bit of a drop, but I don't know. Shuttle back on. Seems alright. Gauge sweep. Now the gauge sweep, these all work fine. And the LED check, which is the following test, they all work fine. And whenever it cuts out, I'm not getting any engine management lights or fault codes coming up on the dash. Yes, all the colours go away, and the LED test is fine. They're all there. So if there was something that was going to pop up, the LED would show at least. You know it's working. Oh look, 4.99 eco mode gear shift. Shut up. Now sometimes when you cycle through onto the, not the EPROM, but the graphics ROM, it does come up with a checksum fail initially and then clears. Don't think that would be related to the cutting out issue, although I suppose if it is an electrical related issue that causes the checksum fail, maybe it could be, I don't know. Let me know if you've got any input on this. I'll keep you guys up to date with this fault as it goes on, up until the point where either it's solved or I give them the car back and get my money back and go find something else. Right, later.